Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do the sketch. You can see the sketch. So first of all, you have to do a sketch here. So you want to choose front plane, top plane, or right plane. So I like front plane, so I'll choose the front plane. Okay, so the line for the line part. So pick up the line part and just sketch whatever you want. So I'll just like to sketch a triangle. So there you go, a triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to use a rectangular. So there are many ways to do it, so I just show some. Say one of it is a corner rectangular, so just plot it like this. You can just you can just plot it. Okay, there you go, rectangular. So the other one is the center rectangular. Okay, center rectangular where you just put a center and you can plot rectangular already. So okay, so the next one will be the parallelogram. So parallelograms, basically you have to choose a plane. So this is the front plane I choose, so I'll just sketch the parallelogram. So there you go, I have a parallelogram here. So next one, I'm going to show you to do a slot. Okay, there are four ways to do a slot. So I just show you the straight slot, the center point slot, and the 3-point arc slot. So for the straight slot, okay, choose the front plane also. So you just draw two lines. Okay, draw a line actually. So you can just extend it and you'll get a slot. So for the center point slot, you have to just identify your center. So I want this to be a center. So I want this to be a center. So I just draw the line, and I also get a slot. Okay, so for the for the 3-point arc slot, so I'll just draw 3 point and reply like, okay, 1 point and 2 point, and I'll get this kind of shape. Okay, hey, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a polygon. Okay, so click on the polygon. So just draw as like you are drawing a circle or anything. So this is a heptagon. So let's say that I want a pentagon. So just go to the parameter this side, bar side. So just click 5. There you go, a pentagon. So I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle. So pick on the circle. So select the top plane. Okay, so just draw whatever you want. So just pick on a point and just draw the circle. Okay, here's a circle. So let's say that you want the radius to be like I like set 45 cm, so I'll just pick 45 here, so you can see here. So I just click enter, so the thing will become 45. Okay, so next on, I'll show you how to draw an arc. Okay, there are 3 types of arc, so I'll just show you the center point arc and the tangent arc. Okay, for the center point arc, just pick on the plane also. So just click on, yeah, like you're drawing a circle, but just, yeah, draw it and you will speak it. So just push any arc, and you can see here you like the radius to be like, I like the radius to be 45, so I just straight 45. And the angle, okay, I want the angle be like 33 angle, so I just put and it will become 33 angle and arc. Okay, so next on is the tangent arc. Okay, so for the tangent arc, you have to draw a line first because of tangent. Okay, next push on the click on the tangent arc. So just click on any point and you will get a tangent arc like this. Yeah, so I'm going to teach you how to do a spine. So this is a spine symbol, so click on the spine, okay, and draw whatever you want. Okay, so your spine is a curve. Yeah, it's suitable to draw a curve like this. Yeah, okay. For this, the other way is the fit spine. So for the fit spine, you have to draw like a rectangular. Okay, so rectangular like this. So click on the fixed spine and just yeah, the thing will come out like this. So let's say I want the torus to be 3. So I could yes, the result will be like this. So I'm going to teach you how to do eclipse. So there are 3 types of eclipse: the eclipse, the partial eclipse, and the parabola. So I'm going to teach you how to do eclipse. Okay, so like circle, like drawing a circle, just draw a circle that you like and just pull it up or pull it down, it will look like eclipse. Okay, you can set the radius here and the curve here, the setting here. So I like 30 here and I like 15 here. So you enter, you get it. Yeah, you get this kind of thing. So for the next one is a partial eclipse. So like eclipse is just the arc of an eclipse. So I'm going to show you. So draw a circle also, pull it up or down, but the trick is here. So you have to draw it, yeah, like incomplete eclipse. There you go. Now I'm going to teach you how to use a sketch chamfer and a fillet. Okay, so to use a fillet, you have to draw a rectangular first. So I'm going to draw a rectangular first. So and click on the fillet and click on the edge that you want to fillet. Okay, so let's say I want to fillet this for edge. So I'll just click yes and I'll get the result here. Let's say that I'm not satisfied with that result, so I'll just click this one. So I'll change the arc, so I'll change like to 8, so the thing will be changed. Yeah, okay, to do the chamfer, click create a rectangle first to chamfer it. So pick on the chamfer. Yes, this is a chamfer. So I want to set the edge to chamfer is like 20. Okay, so just click on the edge of this rectangular and you will get a chamfer. Yeah, okay, I'm going to teach you how to write a text in this drawing. Okay, so just click on this A text. So just type what you want. Okay, yeah, there you go. So this is text that you want. Okay, the text over here you can change text inverted or anything. Okay, for the next one, what I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you to draw a plot, a point. Okay, sketch a point. So you can sketch it on the front. Okay, I'm going to sketch it on the front plane, top plane, sorry. So just sketch. Yeah, there you go. There's a thing that you sketch. What point you want. So this has the function that when you want to draw a line. Okay, so I can put it here. I can put reference here and draw here. Yeah, we can draw it out with a plot reference. There you go. So now I'm going to teach you how to trim. Okay, so for trimming, so just draw a line. Okay, let's say that you draw a model triangle. So and you draw a rectangular here. So let's say that you want to trim this line so that it doesn't cross this thing is behind. So we just put 3 entities and there are many options for you to choose. For me, I'll just choose trim to close it. Okay, so yeah, this icon appears, the scissors icon, so you can just trim it off. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use the offset entities. First of all, I'm going to draw a rectangular. Okay, a rectangular here. So I just select the offset. So I just get this yellow line here. So I'll just change the distance that for the first rectangular and the second rectangular. So I like 10. So I just get this and click right. There you go. I get the second one. So if I want to continue this, I'll just click offset again. Click on the line. I'll just get it. I'll just go and go and go and go. Yeah. Okay, so for the mirror entities, so you can just draw a line. You want to do a mirror, okay? This line, straight line, act as a plane, okay, an axis of symmetry to draw the mirror shape. So click on the mirror entities. For the entities to mirror, you just click on this four. For the, yeah, means that you want to mirror these four things, okay? So mirror about, you just pick this one and you will get, yeah, you will get this mirror thing come up. Yeah, okay, let's say that I want to draw an object, but I don't want to draw it many times. I want to like copy paste that thing, so you can use linear sketch pattern. So for example, I'm going to draw a polygon, okay, polygon here. So I'll just click on the linear sketch pattern and I click on all the lines here, okay. So for the options, I want distance to be like 60 mm. So as you can see the distance here. So I want to set it like 79, okay, until they are not intersecting with others. So you can choose how many you want to copy. Okay, so I'll copy like 10. So I just click enter. You get 10 similar thing aligned with each other. Yeah, so for the circular sketch pattern is the same. Yeah, it will just be the circular type like this. You'll get circular thing. Okay, so what if I want to move a line, okay, or an object like this? I can use move entities. So you can move or copy or rotate or scale or sketch. So I'm gonna move the entities. So I'm gonna use this dot thing for this thing. Yep, for this thing I'm gonna use dot. I just put any dot as the point of reference to move my thing, so I can move my thing up, down, left, right, anything. Okay, so there you go. Okay, cool. There are a lot more entities that we can use like here. Okay, we can copy a thing, we can rotate a thing, and we can stretch the thing, and we can scale a thing. So for the copy part, so just pick on any line you want. Okay, so when you copy, just copy it. Yeah, for rotate, okay, just pick on a thing, put on this thing, okay, you can just rotate it as you want. Okay, you can see the line is rotating, so I rotate like 45 degrees. Okay, so you will get it 45 degrees. Yeah, there you go, you get it 45 degrees, exactly 45 degrees. Okay, there are a lot more things that you can explore, so I hope you can explore it yourself. So the last thing I'm going to teach you is to dimension the thing. So I'm going to use the smart dimension thing. So click on the smart dimension and click on the line you want to dimension it. It will be automatic dimension, as you can see. So for 158, so this modify tab will come out. So it's like you want 160, so you can just push 160 and we go 160. Okay, so same for this. Yeah, I want like 240 maybe, so you will go 240. There you go. So for this line, yeah, 500 maybe. Yeah, there you go. Thanks.
We will try out the extruded boss or base. First, click on the front plane and select sketch. Try a rectangular first, and then we get a dimension for it. Maybe key in 160 millimeter for the height, while for the width we get maybe 60. Okay, and then exit the sketch. Okay, let's try out with the extruded base. Okay, we can see it turned out 3D, and we have option, and then we can select how much the width we want. Okay, click on the tick, and then here we go, we got a 3D model. Let's try out with the revolve boss or base. First, click on the front plane and then sketch. Try to create a center line, a horizontal center line, and then click on the spine line and draw whatever you like. Okay, and then we try to shape into something else. Okay, and then click on the display and delete relation. Click on both lines into one relation. Done. Now, exit the sketch and then click on the revolve boss and base. Yes, and then here we go, a 3D model. Doesn't look very nice, right? A bit terrible. Okay, let's try out something else. Click on cancel. And then we shape into something look better. Should be fine. Okay, let's try again. Done. Look much better, right? See. Look like maybe a bottle, water bottle. To finish, click on the tick. We try out with the sweat boss and base. Go on the front plane, select sketch again. Draw a horizontal line with some art. Moving upwards. And then another art, a bigger one. Okay, done. Now, we click on the right plane, which is actually proportional to the line we just create. I click on it, with normal to it, you can see it's perpendicular, right? Okay, now sketch on the right plane and click on normal to the wheel. Okay, right click on the point, then select center rectangular. It will form a rectangular. Okay, done. You can see, right, the rectangular is in the middle of the line. And then now click on the swept base and base. And then here we go. It forms a long rectangular along the line you just create. Okay, done. Now, we'll try out for the loaf cut. Okay, create a new part. And then we start with the front plane again. Click on the front plane. And then hold the control. And then click on, you can see that. Okay, we increase the plane to 5 planes and then the distance between each plane. Okay, right click on plane 1 and sketch. And draw a circle from the center and then second plane, another circle smaller from the first one we draw just now, and then now the third plane, and draw a circle again. This time we draw a bigger one, and then now the fourth plane, same as we did this just now. Get another circle. Okay, now the last plane, plane 5. Repeat all the steps again and draw another circle. Okay, done. Then you can see, right, each circle are on each plane, and then now we hide the plane. Okay, now we click on the right plane. Oh no, top plane. Okay, you can see that from the top. You can see that those circles are in one line. Now we click on the roof, boss and base, and then click on each line. Okay, there you go. Look like a vase, right? But we can make it better. We can adjust it from those points. Okay, look nice, right? This one. Oh wait. Okay, this look the best. Look like a real vase, right? Here you go. Okay, now the last one. We will try for the boundary, boss and base. We start with the front plane, then click on the spine line, draw a circle. It doesn't need to look like a real circle, it just look like oval is okay. And then now for the top plane we sketch another spine line, but the point must be touched with the line we formed just now. You see, right? It's connected. Now for the right plane, again we start with the spine line and then draw. Remember to touch the point. Okay, see, it's connected. Now I see the sketch. Click on the boundary, boss and base, blah blah blah. Okay, direction 1, click on the circle. Direction 2, click on the 2 spine line we just formed. Oops, I think something error. Yep. Okay, never mind. Mistake had happened. Delete. And then we try again. Oops. Look even worse. Okay, delete all. Start all over again. Okay. Yep, that's the final product. Although it doesn't look like something, but that's the way we did for the boundary base. That's all.
Hi guys, now I'm gonna teach you how to use extrude cut. So this is the object that I drew out earlier. And firstly, what we need to do is extrude cut. Press on the extruded part and then select the front face of the circular boss. Okay, this one. And click on to the normal to standard view toolbars. Let's show it like this. Alright, and then click a circle and then move the pointer to the center of the circle and drag and create the circle and release the toe. Yeah. Okay, let's just make a random circle and we set the radius to a certain dimension. Alright, there it is. And we set it into 50. Okay, so after that what we need to do is press the axis sketch and then click on the diametric. Okay, so we need to click on the diametric wheel. Okay, so we just make it like this. Alright, and under the direction 1, we need to select through all, so that the extrude cut will cut through all the combined object. So let's try it. Okay, press enter. Through all. Alright. Okay, there it is. So the extrude cut will create a hole in the combined object. Alright. Okay, the next tutorial will be about fillet. Alright, let me just briefly explain about fillet. So fillet is a creates a rounded internal or external face along one and more edges in solid or surface feature. So let me show you what is fillet. Alright, so first we need to click on the fillet, and then under the fillet type we need to choose the constant radius, so that the edges will be turned it to a something like circle based on the radius that we set up. So select the front face of the base. Under the items to fillet, we set the radius to 5 mm. Okay, so select the 4 edges at the corner of the base, this one, and then okay. So after we select the edges and then click on the okay, there it is. So this is the fillet that I wanted to show. Yeah, now I'm gonna teach you how to remove the back face of the object. So firstly we need to click on the rotate. Yeah, we need to rotate to the back side so that we can see the back side and we can remove it easily. So after we rotate the object to back wheel, so what we need to do is press shell. Alright, this one. Okay, let me just explain about shell. Shell is the tools that we can use to remove the surface of the object so that we can see inside of the combined object. Alright, so after we select shell, so we need to do is select the surface and then set the parameters to 2 mm. Alright, after we set the parameter thickness into 2 mm, so just click on OK. Alright, so there it is. So the behind parts, the surface of the behind wheel will be removed so that we can look at the inside, and we can combine it with another parts. You can assemble it with another parts, so then create a successful object. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to use dome. Okay, the function of dome is add one or more domes to select the planar and non-planar surface. So the first we need to do is go for fixture and search for dome. After we press it, Then we select on the planar surface, and then we select the parameters to, okay, I think 50 is okay. So after we select the parameters to 50 mm, so just click on OK. So you will see like something a circle, something a ball inside the object. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you about mirror. So mirror, the function of mirror is we can create a image based on the object we created just now, so that we don't need to make it 2 times, so we can make the job more easier. So firstly, we need to go for picture and go for mirror, just bottom of the dome, and then select the faces that you want to create an image. So this one, and this one, and the bottom one. Alright, after we select all the faces, then what we need to do is just press OK, and it will create an image that's same with the previous object that we created just now. Alright, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.
Now I'm gonna do the rib. First I must sketch a line between these blocks, and it must have an angle between these. You can put the angle in this. Now I will take 120 degrees. Okay, and now you can make a rib between the sides. Click on the picture, click rib. Okay, now it is a both side, and if I click this, it will have the rib only on the side, and for this, for the right side. Now I'm gonna make the both sides. Just put the thickness you want and click OK. Now a rib has formed. And now first I'm going to write text on this surface. First you must put a center line, and then put a text on this line. I will show an example. And to switch the font, click this button and change the size of the text. Okay, click right, but to make it the text look more longer, click on the line and click right to the infinite length, and click on this can create the wrap by clicking wrap button and select the sketch that we have done it. Okay, then this is back and the surface. You can see the text has placed into the surface of the material. For the emboss, is the text looks more thicker, and I will show it to you. Wait, is the thickness, then click right, and you can see that have formed. And now I'm going to make the same text but a different wrap. Click right, and then you can see the okay, now the text are at the bottom, and you must click the last sketch, which is sketch 5, and select the wrap parameters to the keyboard, and choose the parameters and change it to the smaller. Okay, click right and select the face, and it is done. Okay, for the last bit, I'm going to do a draft. Okay. First, we must have two different surfaces, and click on the draft. And first, choose the first surface and the surface that we want to draft it. Then change the degree which you want. Okay, click apply, and you can see the draft has formed.